Hey Luna, when's your birthday?
Today.
Really? What's your date of birth?
I was born on December 3rd, 1994.
Hey friends! Today I'm here to answer one of your questions. You asked us to teach you how to talk about one's birthday date. If you want to know about someone's birthday in order to give them a present or something, you can ask, when's your birthday? And they might say, for example, it's on December 1st. If you want to know someone's exact date of birth, including the month, day, and year, you can ask, what's your date of birth? And they might say, I was born on July 7th, 1994. So date of birth includes the year, and birthday might include the year, but it doesn't need to. Now it's your turn. When's your birthday?